So hello everyone. Till now we are doing the LCM and HCF of two numbers. Okay. For example, two numbers are given. Not only two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, and many numbers. But there is a special way of solving various problems. For example, let's say LCM of two numbers is given, HCF of two numbers is given, and one of the numbers is given. Can you find another number? Also, let's say two numbers are given, LCM is given. Can you find the HCF? Easily. Yes, you can easily do it. Okay. Till now we are doing the HCF and LCF only, but now using HCF and LCM we can find the numbers also. So how? So let's say there are two numbers, say A and B. So let A and B be two positive numbers. Then HCF of A and B into LCM of A and B is equal to A into B. That means product of two numbers is equal to HCF and LCM. Product of HCF and LCM. Okay. So this is a very special trick for solving this type of question. And board exam various time this question is coming or related topics are coming. So remember this one, and I am going to solve various examples related to this one, and let's see. So hello everyone. So let me say you with some examples. Let's say HCF of two numbers. Let's say here is given that HCF of two numbers. Let's say 336 and 554. That is HCF of 336 and 54. They have said that HCF of 336 and 54 is 6. And we have to find the LCM of 336 and 54. The first way is finding the HCF by factor tree method. Okay, but it will take too much time. Okay, but the best way for finding, listen this one. First you have to confirm that there are only HCF of two numbers. Okay, this is applicable only for the two numbers. If there is more than two numbers, maybe three number, four number, or anything, then it is not applicable. It is applicable only when it's like HCF of two numbers. Here they have said HCF of two number is 6. Find LCM. That means HCF into LCM is equal to 336 into 54. Okay, and we know the value of HCF is 6. Now LCM is equal to 336 into 54 divided by the HCF. What is the HCF? 6. And by solving this one, we will easily get the LCM. Okay. Now, similarly, there is another question. They have said that the HCF and LCM of two numbers is 9 and 360 respectively. That means the HCF is 9 and the LCM is 360. Okay. Out of this, one number is 45. Can you find another number? Yes, very easy. Because HCF into LCM is equal to number A into B. Okay. Here A is given what? 45. Here A is 45. Now what is the LCM? LCM is 9 and LCM is 360 and HCF is 9. So HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. From there we can easily say what is HCF? 9 into 360 equal to 45 into, let's say, so we'll write it, let the another number be B. That means one number is 45 and number is B. So 360 into 9 is equal to 45 into B. So we can easily manipulate it and we can find easily the value of B. Okay. Similarly, so there is another question. LCM of 32 and A. 32 is one positive number and let A is another positive number. They have directly said A. So LCM of 32 and A is 64 and HCF of 32 and A is 4. So find A. Simply using this formula you can easily find this one. Okay. So there are various other questions, and one of the most important question is what is the relation between HCF and LCM? What is the relation between HCF and LCM? The most important fact and interesting fact is HCF itself is a factor or multiple of LCM.